Hello, Slaters. Welcome to another session of Slate video class. Let us recapitulate what we have learned in our previous session with few questions. What will be the acceleration when the velocity of a body increases with time? Yes, its acceleration is positive. What will be the acceleration of a body moving with constant velocity? As there is no change in speed, the acceleration of the body is zero. What is uniform acceleration? When a body describes equal changes in velocity in equal intervals of time, it is said to have uniform acceleration. Students, can you say the equations of motion? Yes. V is equal to u plus at, S is equal to ut plus half at square, and V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Let us solve few numericals using the equation of uniformly accelerated motion. First question. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 20 seconds after starting from rest? Solution. The given data: initial velocity of the body 0 meter per second since the body is at rest, time taken 20 seconds, acceleration of the body 5 meter per second square, distance is supposed to be calculated. From the equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square, S is equal to 0 into 20 plus half 5 into 20 square, which comes out to be 1000 meters, which is 1 kilometer. So the car will cover a distance of 1 kilometer in 20 seconds. Second question. Brakes applied to a car produce a uniform retardation of 0.9 meter per second square. If the car was traveling with a velocity of 27 meter per second, what distance will it cover before coming to rest? Solution. Here, uniform retardation is 0.9 meter per second square. So, uniform acceleration will be A is equal to minus 0.9 meter per second square. Initial velocity is given as 27 meter per second and final velocity is 0 meter per second since the car comes to rest. Distance traveled is supposed to be calculated. We can use the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Keeping s as the subject, s is equal to v square minus u square by 2a. On substituting the above values, we get the displacement as 405 meters. So the car covers a distance of 405 meters before coming to rest. Third question. Find the initial velocity of a car that is stopped in 10 seconds by applying brakes. The retardation due to brakes is 2.5 meter per second square. Solution. The given data is retardation 2.5 meter per second square, which means acceleration is minus 2.5 meter per second square. Initial velocity is supposed to be calculated. Final velocity is 0 since the car comes to rest. Time taken is 10 seconds. So using the equation V is equal to U plus AT, we get 0 is equal to U plus minus 2.5 into 10. On simplifying, we get U equals to 25 meter per second. The initial velocity of the car was 25 meter per second. A car traveling at a uniform velocity of 90 km per hour retards in 10 seconds and reaches a velocity of 45 km per hour. Find its retardation. The given data: initial velocity u is equal to 60 km per hour, which when converted becomes 25 meter per second. Final velocity v is equal to 45 km per hour, which when converted is 25 by 2 meter per second. Time t is equal to 10 seconds. From the formula, A is equal to V minus U by T, A is equal to 25 by 2 minus 25 by 10, which on simplification we get acceleration A is equal to minus 0.125 meter per second square. It means retardation is plus 0.125 meter per second square. Students, try to solve the following numericals as home assignment and bring it to the school. A truck traveling at 54 km per hour is slowed down to 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. Find the retardation. A car starts from rest and acquires a velocity of 54 km per hour in 2 seconds. Find the acceleration and distance traveled by the car. Assume the motion of car is uniform. An object dropped from a cliff falls with a constant acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Find its speed 5 seconds after it was dropped. Anand leaves his house at 8:30 a.m. for his school. The school is 2 km away and classes start at 9 a.m. If he walks at a speed of 3 km per hour for the first kilometer, at what speed should he walk the second kilometer to reach just in time? A bullet hits a sandbox with a velocity of 20 meter per second and penetrates it up to a distance of 6 centimeter. Find the deceleration of the bullet in the sandbox. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, take care.